Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love the ambiance that a fire brings, you are absolutely gonna love this fire pit. This is from Colsen Fire Pits. It's awesome. I absolutely love it. So this is a concrete portable fire pit. So you can run this super simply on rubbing alcohol or clean burning ethanol. And it's portable. You can pick it up and take it anywhere and just add that warm, super inviting glow that is so comforting. So mostly we've been using this when we are eating dinner outside, something like that. It just adds something really special to your evening outside. And you can even add citronella to this to keep bugs away. But I found that just having the flame itself helped to keep bugs away, which is really, really nice too. And because this runs on clean burning fuel, you can use this inside and there is no mess. So it has no smoke, it doesn't leave any soot or char or anything. So you can use this anywhere, anytime, and just enjoy a beautiful little fire. So it's really simple to use. You just add your alcohol, and if you fill it up to the top, it will last about 40 minutes. And then you need a long handled lighter, and then you can just start it up. And that's that, super simple. Not only is this an awesome little fire pit, it's beautiful. Just look at the design, it's incredible. I actually have been just putting this up on a shelf in my house and using it as a decor item when I'm not using it because it has such beautiful design, beautiful lines, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking for a way to have a cozy little fire anywhere, anytime, then I would absolutely recommend this fire pit from Colsen. I think that it is super functional, it's durable, it's a really high quality product, and it's super cute. So I think you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.